Easy to install photocell dusk to dawn lights, and they are 110 volts. It's a 4-pack, and we're going to open this up, show you what it looks like inside the box, and set it up in the back, show you what it's all about at nighttime. We have a 4-pack 110 volt photocell dusk to dawn lights, flush mount to the wall. As you can see, this is the light. As the photocell detects it's dark, it lights up real nice and bright. We get 4 photocell dusk to dawn lights. It's aluminum base, got a screw on the bottom. In order to access and mount, you take off the front face, the screws, and you punch out the holes on the back with the insulation pieces. We're going to show you these lights lit up dusk to dawn in the back. And what we're going to do right now is take a screwdriver and start to disassemble for our installation. Each light you're going to have to take apart and move. Simply do your best to lift up and off. And the wiring is right over here on the sides, as you can see. So lift up the backing. If you have trouble, loosen up the screws. On back of the unit, you got your screw holes, your center holes, and other holes to knock out.